This user asks how to get the Animoji button instead of the Memoji button. It's very simple. The first thing you want to do is open up a messages conversation, then select your camera. This step may differ as I'm using the iOS 17 public beta. Once you've opened your camera, tap on the star in the lower left-hand corner and choose the Memoji button as you normally would. Make sure you choose the one with the black background, as this will place either a Memoji or an Animoji over your face. To remove your selection, tap on the big X so that your camera view looks normal. Then select the Memoji icon one more time, and you'll be able to add either a Memoji or an Animoji. Tap the icon with the black background. The one with the white background will just add Animoji or Memoji stickers. But if you want to take a photo or a video and have your face covered by an Animoji, use the Memoji button. You can select your Memoji or Animoji by simply swiping and tapping on it. There's my two Memojis. Now, if I want to take a picture or a video with my face covered by an Animoji, I just have to select one. Just swipe over and tap each Animoji to find your favorite. Mine is the koala bear. There's the mouse, the octopus, the cow, the giraffe, the shark, the owl, the warthog, the monkey, the robot, the cat, a dog, the alien, the fox. You know what that one was? The pig, the panda, the bunny, the chicken, the unicorn, the lion, and a few more. There's my favorite, the koala bear, but the last one available as of the recording of this video is the dinosaur. Just choose the one you want and tap on it. Then tap the X in the upper right hand corner of this panel, and the Memoji or Animoji you selected will remain on the screen. You can then take a photo or video by pressing the shutter button. Tap done or the big blue button. Just tap the send icon to send your picture. Which Animoji is your favorite? Comment below. Watch this video recommended by YouTube. This playlist contains more tutorials just like this one. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. Join me next time.